Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So today, Izani and I are going to present about the mammals. You guys can open Meta textbook page 556. Okay, first, the mammals evolved from reptiles. They include in class Mammalia and there is 4,600 species of them. Let's go to the introduction. Now we go to the characteristic of the mammals. The most distinguishing characteristic of mammals are the presence of hair and milk-producing mammary glands. Hair provides insulation against heat loss and being endothermic that allows mammals to be active even in cold weather. The color of hair can camouflage to help the animal blend into its surroundings. In addition, hair can be ornamental and can serve sensory functions. Next, mammary glands. These glands enables females to feed their young without having to leave them to collect food as birds do. Nursing also helps to create a bond between mother and offspring that helps ensure parental care while the young are helpless. It also provides antibodies through the milk from mother to their offspring. Then I will talk about skeleton. The mammalian skull accommodates a larger brain relative to body size than does the reptilian skull. Mammalian cheek teeth are differentiated as premolars and molars. The vertebrae of mammals are highly differentiated. Typically, the middle region of the vertebral column is arched. The limbs of this animal are under the body rather than out to the side. We move to internal organs. There are 4 parts: respiratory system, circulatory system, kidneys, nervous system, and special senses. Efficient respiratory and circulatory system ensure a ready oxygen supply to muscle, whose contraction produces body heat. Like birds, mammals have a double-loop circulatory pathway and a 4-chambered heart. Kidneys are adapted to conserve water in terrestrial mammals. Nervous system and special senses of mammals are highly and well developed. Mammals exhibit complex behavior. Last but not least, internal development. In most mammals, the young are born alive after a period of development in uterus. Uterus is the part of the female reproductive tract. Internal development shelters the young and allows the female to move actively about while the young are maturing.
Now we're going to talk about timeline of the evolution of mammal groups. Only 3 lineages of mammals exist on Earth today: the monotremes, the marsupials, and the placentals. Monotremes, that include only the duck-billed platypus, are the oldest group of mammals, have hair and mammary glands, but do not give live birth, but instead they lay eggs. Monotremes, unlike other mammals, lay hard-shelled amniotic eggs. No embryonic development occurs inside the female's body. The female duck-billed platypus lays her eggs in a burrow in the ground. She incubates the eggs, and after hatching, the young lick up milk that seeps from the modified sweat glands on the mother's abdomen. Next, we're going to talk about the marsupials that evolved in the early Cretaceous. The marsupials are also known as the pouch mammals. Female marsupials have unique reproductive systems that include 2 uteruses and up to 3 vagina canals. Today, marsupial mammals are most abundant in Australia and New Guinea, filling all the typical roles of placental mammals and other continents. The picture you're going to see next is a newborn of koala. Newborns are typically hairless and have yet to open their eyes, but they crawl out into a pouch on their mother's abdomen. Inside the pouch, they attach 2 nipples of mammary glands and continue to develop. Female marsupials nourish their embryos in a yolk-based type of placenta inside their body. Last but not least is the placental mammals that also evolved in the early Cretaceous and give live birth. Placental mammals lead an active life. Most mammals live on land, but some, such as whales and dolphins, are secondarily adapted to live in water, and bats are able to fly. Placenta in the placental mammals is more complex and specialized than in the marsupials. Both marsupials and placentals have a true uterus, but it is structurally different. The placenta in placental mammals is a very specialized organ for the exchange of substances between maternal blood and fetal blood that supplies nutrients to the growing offspring. Now we have finished covered the topic of the mammals. That is all from us. Thank you.